Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for November 22nd through December 4th. For November 22nd to 26th, this is what we forecast in the pattern look like. We have a ridge here near the Aleutians, trough here off the west coast, ridge over western Canada and into the west, and we also have strong positive height anomalies here near Greenland and a trough in the east. Miles in good agreement. We're expecting very cold and mostly dry conditions forecast across much of the east, while it will be stormy in the western U.S. later this week. The coldest Thanksgiving Day in years is in store from much of the Northeast, the lower Great Lakes, and the northern Mid-Atlantic regions, with anomalies of at least 15 degrees below normal are forecast. The West Coast and much of the interior west will be in a prolonged active pattern as shaping up to be a multi-day event. Widespread rain and high elevation snows are forecast. The plains will be dry and mild. A storm system is forecast to develop. I'm going to show you that now. Okay, a storm is forecast to develop over the southeast. We're looking at the GFS. Here it is. That's Saturday. And look where the 540 line is. Up here. 546. So in here, you can expect mixed precipitation. You can see it's rain, and then we have a mixed precipitation to northern New England. And then we have another area of precipitation that tracks to the west of the Appalachians. Heavy rain here across parts of the Mid-Atlantic. And then it lifts out. Now we're going to look at the European. You see here's a storm system. This is the 540 line, this blue line. So you can see it has a low, this one has a low, like almost like the last situation we had right along the coast. And the 540 line remains to the north, and we have heavy rainfall across much of the Mid-Atlantic region. Then we get the next system that comes in later in the week. Still a warm system, you could say, where here's the 540 line here to the west, but all of this will be heavy rainfall. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for November 25th to the 29th. Here's the 25th, and we see that we have a trough forecast over the Northeast Pacific. And above normal heights are forecast across Canada and Greenland. And below normal heights forecast across much of the country. You can see right here. Almost a zonal flow, models are good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for much of this area here. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast for this region. And I'm forecasting anomalies of up to 4 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation for this region and for east of the Mississippi Valley. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 55%. And then below normal precipitation is forecast here. And the probability of occurrence is 35%. The look for the period for November 30th through December 4th. Boop. Here we are the 30th, and we still have above normal heights across the high latitudes and the North Atlantic. And we still have our trough here will remain in place. And then we have below normal heights across much of the nation. We take a look at the models. They're in good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures west of the divide, and forecast anomalies of 6 degrees or more are possible, and then below normal temperatures are forecast for the remainder of the nation, and the probability of the forecast anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees are expected, and for precipitation, little change from the previous period is forecast for the precipitation anomalies. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for November 22nd through December 4th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.